This rose cup cozy is so cute. After crocheting the bouquet blanket, try this cup cozy. When not in use, tuck the net inside, tidy it up, and pull tight the drawstring to form a rose bouquet, perfect as a decorative piece. Susan's Family 4-ply cotton, 2.5mm crochet hook. Start with an adjustable magic ring, hold the crossing point, yarn over the hook to pull through, chain 2, not counted as stitches, yarn over the hook, insert into the ring, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. That's the double crochet technique. Place a stitch marker in the first stitch. Continue making double crochets in the ring for a total of 12. 2, 3, 4. Follow the pattern to complete 12 double crochets. Pull tight the yarn tail to close, insert hook into the first stitch, all stitches are V-shaped, yarn over to pull through, slip stitch to join, chain 2 as the beginning chain. Insert hook into the first stitch, place the yarn tail on the hook, and weave in ends while working 2 double crochets. Always place a stitch marker in the first stitch of every round. Work another double crochet in the same stitch. This is called double crochet 2 in 1, meaning working 2 double crochets in 1 stitch. Next stitch. Double crochet 2 in 1. This is the second group. There are 12 groups total. Complete them yourself by working 2 double crochets in each stitch. This round completes with 24 stitches. After slip stitching through the first stitch, pull tight and chain 2. The first stitch of every round in the third round is marked with a stitch marker. In the third round, work 1 double crochet in the first stitch. Next stitch, double crochet 2 in 1. 1 double crochet and 1 double crochet 2 in 1 make a group. There are 12 groups total. 1 double crochet 2 in 1. Follow the pattern to complete the remaining 10 groups. This round completes with 36 stitches joined with a slip stitch to the first stitch. Chain 2, fourth round. Work 1 double crochet in the first stitch. Second stitch, double crochet 2 in 1. Third stitch, 1 double crochet 2 in 1, then another double crochet makes a group occupying 3 stitches, double crochet, next stitch, double crochet 2 in 1, double crochet, 10 more groups, slip stitch. Chain 2, fifth round, work 1 double crochet in each of the first 3 stitches. Next stitch, double crochet 2 in 1. This makes a group occupying 4 stitches total, 12 groups altogether. This round completes the bottom. Insert hook into the first stitch and slip stitch. Chain 2. Now begin crocheting the body. From now on, pick up only the back loop of the V-shaped stitches. Work 1 double crochet. Next stitch. 2, 3 double crochets plus 1 chain, that's 1 group. Because there's 1 chain, skip 1 stitch at the bottom accordingly. Skip 1 stitch, next stitch. 1 double crochet. Next. 3 double crochets plus 1 chain. Yarn over, skip 1 stitch at the bottom, continue repeating. 3 double crochets, 1 chain. Skip 1 stitch. Since there are a total of 60 stitches, and the current pattern is 4 stitches per group, so there are 15 groups in total. This way, it will create a hole. Follow the pattern to complete this round, and I've reached the last group. 1 chain leaves exactly the last stitch at the bottom. Join with a slip stitch, 2 chains as the beginning chain, not counted in the stitch count. We've completed the first round of the bag body, and the following rounds will follow the same crochet method as the first round. At the first double crochet stitch, make 1 double crochet as a marker. Next, it's a complete V shape, 3 double crochets, 1 chain. Second group, yarn over. Insert the hook into the V shape above the double crochet ridge, not into the hole. Corresponding double crochets, 3 double crochets. 1 chain. Next group, follow this pattern until reaching the desired height. Generally, here I've crocheted 9 rows total. Now we directly enlarge the loop and cut the yarn. Tuck the yarn tail inside. Check the yarn tail. At this slip stitch join point, insert the hook into the chain stitch. A chain stitch consists of 3 strands, a V shape in front and 1 strand at the back. We draw through 2 strands. One chain stitch inserted into this stitch. Yarn over and pull through, then yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. That's a single crochet. 4 chain stitches. Skip 2 stitches on the main part, insert into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through to make a single crochet, always picking the back loop, the one farther from us. Continue with 4 chain stitches. Skip 2 stitches, next stitch pick the back loop farther from us, yarn over and pull through to make a single crochet, repeat. 4 chain stitches, skip 2 stitches, next stitch pick the back loop farther from us to make a single crochet, skip 2 stitches, when encountering a chain stitch, hook into the 2 front strands, and 1 back strand. Last group, perfectly skipping 2 stitches, 4 chain stitches, insert into the first stitch, slip stitch. Remove the stitch marker, begin crocheting the leaf, insert into this large space, slip stitch to transition the loop, chain 1, insert into this stitch to work a single crochet, 4 chain stitches. Into the second to last stitch. Insert and slip stitch, yarn over and pull through. 3 chain stitches back into this large space, work a single crochet. This is 1 leaf, insert into the next large space to work a single crochet, 4 chain stitches, slip stitch into the second to last, then 3 chain stitches back into this large space, work a single crochet. Repeat this pattern to complete the entire round. After finishing, join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. Chain 1, enlarge the loop. First, crochet the mesh by inserting into the remaining half loops. Pull through a chain stitch. Insert into this stitch to work a single crochet, 12 chain stitches. Into this stitch. Directly insert into this gap, work a single crochet, same crochet method as the cup sleeve mesh, 12 chain stitches. Pay attention, after skipping 4 stitches, if it looks like this, pick the inner half loop to work a single crochet. If after skipping 4 stitches there's a complete stitch, then insert into the complete stitch to crochet. For the last group connection, 5 chain stitches. Yarn over 4 times, hold and insert into the marked stitch. This joining method has been explained many times. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops each time. Third, fourth, fifth, that completes the connection. With this group, there are 12 large spaces total. work a single crochet in each large space, place a stitch marker, then 12 chain stitches. Insert hook into next large space to work single crochet, continue crocheting until desired height. The joining method for the last group is always 5 chain stitches, 4 double crochets. Here I crocheted 5 rounds, 1 chain stitch, work a single crochet in each large space, then 5 chain stitches to next large space for single crochet. Repeat this round, 5 chain stitches, 1 single crochet to complete the round. For the last group, chain 3, yarn over once, work a double crochet in the first stitch to join. 1 chain stitch, work 3 single crochets in this large space. Work a single crochet in this single crochet stitch. Work 5 single crochets in the next large space. One single crochet in the single crochet stitch, 5 single crochets in large space, 1 single crochet in stitch, repeat until the end. After finishing, go to the first large space, and work 2 more single crochets. Join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. Now we need to slip stitch 3 times continuously. The purpose is to transition the yarn loop to the top part, with 4 large spaces above this single crochet stitch. Chain 1, work a single crochet in this stitch. Next, work 1 single crochet in each stitch until the marked position, total 25 stitches, chain 1 and turn. Work a single crochet in the first stitch. Work 1 single crochet in each stitch, total 25 stitches to the end. After finishing, chain 45 for the handle part. Join with a slip stitch to the first stitch on the other end. Chain 1 and turn. Work single crochets in this chain stitch to wrap. Hold these 2 strands, chain 3, then cross through these 2 strands, yarn over and pull through to slip stitch. Then continue working single crochets. You can randomly place the roses. After finishing, slip stitch, chain 1, pull long to break yarn, and weave in ends. The other bracelet part should be symmetrical to the front piece. Insert the hook, yarn over, chain 1, then work 25 single crochets, same method as the front piece, complete it yourself. Slip stitch, chain 1, pull long to break yarn. Here's how to keep the rose from drooping. Insert the hook between the 2 leaves, making sure to go through the back of the bag body. You can tie a knot on the wrong side. Yarn over and chain 12. Work 3 double crochets in the 4th to last stitch. Work 3 double crochets in each stitch to complete this row. After finishing, chain 3, then slip stitch in the last stitch. Roll it into a flower shape. Insert the crochet hook horizontally from the wrong side, making sure to go through the inner layer as well. Yarn over and pull through the loop on the hook to slip stitch. Chain 1, pull long to break yarn. Pull out the inner yarn tail, and tie a double knot with the outer tail. Then weave it into the flower. Leave a small yarn tail, apply a tiny bit of glue for extra security. Roses are worked 1 for every other leaf, complete them yourself. For other yarn tails, tie double knots and apply a small amount of glue. For the drawstring braid, start with a foundation chain of 80 chain stitches, 2 strands are needed. Thread the drawstring. First insert the hook from the right side and go around once. Pull out the needle where you inserted it. The other strand goes around from the left side. Finally, pull out the needle where you inserted it. Pierce through 2 chain stitches, yarn over and pull through, then make 12 chain stitches for the rows. The technique here is the same as the roses on the bag. Just remember to place the green yarn tail on the hook when you're near the end. This way, the tail gets woven in as you crochet. Horizontal slip stitch at the base of the rows, chain 1, pull long to break yarn, and cut off the green yarn tail. This completes the cup sleeve.